Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Blogger dashboard and selecting the blog you'll edit. This gives you context for the template. Once in theme, choose Edit HTML so you can search the markup directly. Make sure to download a full theme backup first. That prevents accidental loss. Now, press Ctrl+F and search for terms like footer, copyright, or the current year. This locates the block you'll change. Proceed only when you see the matching footer element in the HTML. Once you've located the footer container, study the surrounding code to know what to remove versus what to keep. You're looking for explicit text nodes, section widgets, or scripts that output copyright and the year. Carefully select only the copyright line or the widget that contains it. Do not delete closing tags for the entire footer container. If the copyright is injected by a widget, note its ID or class, so you can remove just that widget reference and leave. Edit by deleting the specific copyright text or commenting out the widget code, then click Save Theme. Do not close the editor until you preview. Once saved, open your site in a new tab and clear browser cache if you don't see changes. This forces updated files to load. Make sure to check mobile and desktop layouts to confirm nothing shifted. If something breaks, revert using your downloaded backup and try removing a narrower snippet instead. Troubleshooting tip: missing closing tags often cause layout collapse.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.